Welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned to Sadhana. True wealth comes from what we give to this earth, not from what we take. These wise words of renowned humanitarian Mohanji trails the teachings of the saint Shirdi Sai Baba. Baba advised his followers to lead a moral life, help others and treat them with love. Sadhana travelled to rural Nonoti to witness the installation of a Shirdi Sai Baba Murti that will hopefully grow these teachings in a soon-to-be developed new Mohanji Centre of Benevolence. Today I am super excited to witness and understand the importance of the sacred consecration of the Shirdi Sai Baba Murti. Now I am aware that this Murti was brought all the way from overseas to Durban. That is really interesting to me. But what is more interesting is we're going to find out more information about the construction of the Mohanji Centre of Benevolence in rural Nonoti. So follow me.
So the Murti we have here, which is being inaugurated today, to call it loosely, is the same size as the Murti of Sai Baba in the home temple of Shirdi. So it is life size, it's 5 feet and 4 inches with the pedestal and so on. It is the same idol.
We're setting up a center that's going to be aiding people in the community around here. But more importantly, we've brought the statue of Shirdi Baba. Shirdi Baba is divinity personified. And wherever he is, there's stability and there's peace. And I think our province, especially KZN, needs that more than anything else at the moment. And hence our desire to bring him in KZN so that he brings stability to us.
Speaking of Shirdi Sai Baba, now he has preached the importance of the realization of the self and criticized the love for perishable things. So can you tell me more about this?
Well, his teachings tell us of Shraddha and Sabri, patience, and to have faith in whatever you do. So for a lot of us, especially during this particular time, we are shaken very easily. Our faith is shaken very easily. And for us to stay steadfast in that faith is what is going to take us to the next level.
अभी पहले हमको भगवान गणेश जी की आरती उतारना है। उसके बाद आरती उतार के
Baba's relevance today is unification. See, we are getting really fragmented in the world, especially now, as you have seen, the COVID has really fragmented people. We have 195 countries in the world, and a lot of subdivisions, segments, color, caste, country, so many religions and so many languages. So division is really, really high, and people are really division oriented. So that's where Sai Baba's relevance comes. He's unification oriented. He united all the warring factions together. When he was in the body, he was literally bringing everybody together with love. And it was not ritualistic. It was not ritual at all. It was more of awakening and reinventing oneself. People even the people who came to even spy on him became his devotees. So he literally transforms people.
मंदिर में अगर कुछ अशुभ आया भी गया हो तो उसका दूर आप करना, इसी कारण उसको कलश हाथ में देके वो पावर अपने सिर को लगाया है और सिर से ये पृथ्वी इसके अंदर 7 नदी का समुद्र का जल यहाँ.
The idea is that when we create the temple, we create not just the temple but also the other elements which are there in Shirdi, like the Dwarka Mai, the Gurusthan and so on. So that over time, as the temple develops, it gets the shape and people get the same experience as if they were going to Shirdi, because everybody may not be able to go to Shirdi.
Yes, correct.
But you can get the experience and the same feeling of going to Shirdi by building the temple in a certain way.
You want the connection to remain.
You want the connection because you're connecting to the master, and the place is a way for you to connect to the master.
Baba has said one thing, You look at me, I look at you. So that means when we connect to Baba, Baba connects to us, and life will be transformed. So this is, thousands of people are experiencing it. So what we need to do, what the society needs to do, is to connect to him, respect him, love him, and the same thing will come back to them in abundance.
Having had the conversation with Mohanji, I can now understand why this specific location was chosen to unveil the Shirdi Sai Baba Murti. As you can see around me, it's beautiful and so calm. But before we leave, I have to attend the unveiling of the statue.
Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrutundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dante Prachodayat Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Dhyanamurtim Mandvatītam Gagana Sadrasham Tattvatrayam Murtinam Tathātam Sadguru Sainatham Vashanam.
What an amazing experience. This was the first time I've attended a Prana Pratishta ceremony, and it was truly wonderful to see how the prana was manifested in the life-size Shirdi Sai Baba Murti. This makes it so auspicious for its followers and devotees.
Guru Devata, Sadguru, Sainatham, Sadguru.